Good morning, class 9th. This is your English period. Today we will learn new poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo. Student, this poem is composed by Edward Lear. Okay? Edward Lear was an English artist, illustrator, musician, author and poet. He began his career as an artist at the age of 15. So this poem was written by him. This poem is based on a kangaroo and the duck. The conversation between the duck and the kangaroo. The main idea of this poem is the poet tells that we can get any difficult work done by others if we have the virtues of sweetness. It means कि अगर हम किसी से प्यार से बोलते हैं, प्यार से बात करते हैं तो हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को पा सकते हैं. If we have the virtues of sweetness, politeness and obedience, the duck requests the kangaroo to make her visit the beautiful world by allowing her to ride on his back. In these first stanza, we have to see, said the duck, listen, yes. Said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hop over the fields in the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is bored in the nesty pond, and I look to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck in the kangaroo. To the kangaroo, sorry. Student, hop means jump. In these lines, the duck said to kangaroo that her life is bored in this pond, in this nesty pond, and she wants to visit the beautiful bird, but she is unable to do as she cannot hop like the kangaroo. So she requests the kangaroo to allow her a ride on his back. She assured the kangaroo that she would not speak anything except quit. So said the duck to the kangaroo. Duck said to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hope. You hope very beautifully, very grateful you have to hop over the fields and water too. From the waters and the field, you have crossed the world, you hop. स्टूडेंट, जो पोएट है वो कहता है कि हम जो अगर किसी से भी बहुत ही सॉफ्टली बोल के या किसी भी तरह से अपने काम को करवाते हैं तो हम करवा सकते हैं. हमें अपनी स्वीटनेस को बरकरार रखना चाहिए. इन लाइंस में पोएट सेड कि वो कंगारू से कहता है जाके डक कि आप कितना अच्छा, कितना प्यारा आप कूदते हो, जंप करते हो फील्ड्स में, वाटर में, ठीक है. एज इफ़ यू नेवर वुड स्टॉप, अगर तुम रुकना नहीं चाहते तो यू कैन जंप. माई लाइफ इज़ बोर्ड इन दिस, मेरी ज़िंदगी एकदम बेकार हो गई है, नीरस हो गई है इस नेस्टी पॉन्ड में, और मैंने बहुत दिनों से इस दुनिया को बाहर से नहीं देखा है. आई विश आई कुड हॉप लाइक यू, मैं ऐसा चाहता हूँ कि मैं भी आपकी तरह जंप कर सकूँ. ये बात कौन कहता है? जो डक है वो कैंगरू से बोलता. In these lines, the poet said the duck is awestruck to see the movement of the kangaroo. It expressed that the kangaroo could hop continuously over the fields and water bodies. The duck's life was boring as it remained in the pond all to the time. It wished to see the world beyond the limits of the pond. It wishes that it could also hop like the kangaroos. So student, read this stanza, learn these lines and watch the video carefully. Through the video, you can understand the explanation of the poem easily. In the next video or in the next class, we will continue second and third stanza of this poem. So, goodbye. Watch this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.